Hello students, today we'll study about our last topic in the solution, abnormal molecular mass. To study the abnormal molecular mass, it is necessary to know about the electrolyte and non-electrolytes. Electrolytes are the substances that dissociate into the solution are called electrolytes, and this dissociation change in the colligative property. Non-electrolyte substance does not undergo any association or dissociation, so they are not participate into the colligative property. Abnormal molecular mass, when we find out the molecular mass of a substance by studying any colligative property, it's found to be different than that of the normal value is called abnormal molecular mass. The abnormal molecular mass means कि किसी भी सब्सटेंस का मोलिकुलर मास जो है उसकी ऑब्जर्व्ड वैल्यू है वो उसके कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू से अलग मिलेगी, तो उसको हम कहते हैं अबनॉर्मल मोलिकुलर मास। जैसे अगर हम बात करें नॉर्मली, अगर हम एसिटिक एसिड की बात करते हैं तो एसिटिक एसिड जब हम सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं तो इस अंडरगो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, गेट एसोसिएटेड, इस अंडरगो एसोसिएशन and its molecular mass found to be double than that of the normal value. It's undergo hydrogen bonding. This is called association. Its calculated value is 60 but observed value is 120. It's found to be the different. This is known as the abnormal molecular mass. अलग molecular mass जो ऑब्जर्व है वो 120 मिलेगा, लेकिन एक्चुअल है वो कितना है, 60 है। किस कारण हो गया ये? एसोसिएशन के कारण हो गया। एसिटिक एसिड का जब हम सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं वाटर के साथ तो इट्स अंडरगो एसोसिएशन में चला जाता है, एसोसिएट हो जाता है। सिमिलरली अगर हम बात करें सोडियम क्लोराइड की, इसको वाटर में डालते हैं, इट्स गेट डिसोशिएट एंड इट्स कोलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी फाउंड टू बी डिफरेंट. Abnormal molecular mass are observed by any case. In these cases only you find abnormal molecular mass. First, when solution is non-ideal, solution आपका non-ideal होना चाहिए. Second, when the solute undergo association and dissociation in the solution. इस कारण से हम abnormal molecular mass स्टडी कर पाएंगे. कितना एसोसिएशन या डिसोसिएशन हुआ है इसको हमने किसने स्टडी किया है? वेंट ऑफ ने. ही गिव ए फैक्टर वेंट ऑफ फैक्टर. चलो अब वेंट ऑफ फैक्टर के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. वेंट ऑफ फैक्टर क्या होता है? वेंट ऑफ फैक्टर इज अ रेशियो ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ द कोलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी डिवाइड बाय द कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू ऑफ द कोलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय आई. वेंट ऑफ फैक्टर दैट इज नोन एज द वेंट ऑफ फैक्टर. ये हमें क्या बताता है? एक्सटेंड ऑफ एसोसिएशन और डिसोसिएशन, यानी कितना एसोसिएशन या डिसोसिएशन हुआ है. R is equal to the ratio of experimental value, value of colligative property divided by calculated value of colligative property. Colligative property is the inversely proportional to the molecular mass. Colligative property always inversely proportional to the molecular mass of a substance. In case of mass, I is equal to mc by m naught. mc means calculated molecular mass of a substance, observed molecular mass of a substance. This is calculated by the theoretical value by a formula, and this is observed during the experiment. Okay, so all the expression of a colligative property is modified because when electrolyte put into the solution, it's either undergo association or dissociation. So we got a modified expression of of colligative property. Just like first factor, that is modified relative lowering in vapor pressure, that is P naught minus में PS divided by P naught is equal to I into my X2. This I factor is introduced in this. Second colligative property is the elevation is boiling point, delta TB is equal to I KB into M. This again introduce the Van't Hoff factor. This find out the extent of association and dissociation. Third one is the depression in freezing point, that is I KF into my M. Fourth one is the osmotic pressure. Pi is equal to I N by V R T. So we introduce the factor I, Van't Hoff factor, in all the colligative properties. Just like this is the relative lowering in vapor pressure, this is elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, and osmotic pressure. Now we calculate the degree of dissociation and association. First we study about the degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation means fraction of the total substance that undergo dissociation. Degree of dissociation is represented by alpha. Alpha is equal to the number of moles dissociated over number of moles taken. यानी डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन क्या है? डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन रेशियो है फ्रैक्शन का, किसके? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स गेट डिसोसिएटेड ऑफ ए सब्सटेंस और द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स टेकन. फॉर एग्जांपल, we take a substance A that is dissociate into B plus C. शुरू में हमने इसका एक मोल लिया, जब इसका एसोसिएशन और डिसोसिएशन नहीं हुआ था, it attained the equilibrium. The quantity of B and C is 0. Suppose alpha is the degree of dissociation. The amount of substance remain undissociated 1 minus में alpha. This is the n moles. So observed colligative property. Observed colligative property is equal to the 1, that is 1 plus n minus 1 alpha. That is our observed colligative property. Normal colligative property is equal to the 1 mole that we taken. Start with 1 mole. Then I is equal to the Van't Hoff factor, that is equal to the observed colligative property or divided by the normal colligative property. You can say experimental value of the colligative property, this is, and this one is the calculated value of the observative property, colligative property, that is equal to the 1 plus 1 minus 1 alpha divided by 1. So from here we find out the alpha. Alpha is equal to I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. This is the degree of dissociation. In case of the molecular mass, I is equal to mc by m naught. This is in case of the mass. Put the value of I in this expression. Alpha is equal to mc minus m naught divided by m naught n minus 1. This is a final expression in degree of dissociation in case of the molecular mass. This is used for the numerical problems. This is the degree of dissociation. After this, we will study about the second factor, that is degree of association. Degree of association. Association means when the two molecules combine together. That we start study degree of association is equal to alpha. That is equal to the number of moles associated, number of moles associated divided by number of moles taken. Suppose we start with a substance A and number that get associated to change into AN. We start with 1, here is the value is 0. After the degree of association is alpha, so and dissociation 1 minus alpha. How many moles, how many molecules that associated, divided by N. N is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the observed colligative property is equal to observed value of colligative property that is equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha by N. Normal value of colligative property, that is equal to the 1. I is equal to observed over my normal, 1 minus alpha plus alpha by N divided by 1. Now alpha is equal to, we find out from here, alpha